Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will be checking out the Artix Linux LXDE Desktop. So this LXDE Desktop was pending for some time. So we will complete the review of the LXDE Desktop of Artix Linux today. So this is the login screen. You can see here the LXDE session is available along with the OpenBox window manager session. Then you have got the accessibility features. Only large text and high contrast are available. The calendar is there, time function is there, and the power menu is there. So let us start with the review. First thing, of course, we will scale the resolution if the scaling is not done automatically. Yes, so we will require to scale the desktop. So we go to system tools, either system tools or preferences. So I think there is some freezing is going on. Okay. Desktop preferences, or yes, monitor settings. Yes, monitor settings is perfect, and we will apply this. Okay, so done. Now you can see the LXD panel is at the bottom. You have got only the trash icon on the desktop. The wallpaper looks very cool, and it is very much compatible with the overall Artix Linux, we can say, system theme or the design ethos. Now this is the application menu. You have got the, I think this is minimize all windows. Then you have got the, I think this is GNOME Webs. Let us check out. It must be GNOME Webs only. So it is a GNOME web browser. Then you have got the file manager. Let us check out the file manager. Okay, so we are checking out the web. Yes, so the GNOME web version is 43.1 and it comes with some default tabs like Explore Artix Linux GitHub page, the Artix Wiki, Artix Forum, Artix Home, Artix Wikipedia, and the distro watch page for the Artix Linux. So that's great. And let us switch off this and now go over to the file manager. Let us see about the file manager. So it is using the PCman FM file manager version 1.3.2. So this is latest version. So since Artix Linux is based on Arch, we get the latest packages available immediately as and when they are released. Then you got this terminal. This is the LX terminal version 0.4. Further, this is the network manager. You can see here the connections are there. T3 is also available. Then you have got the language selection. So right now only one language is installed. Volume control is there and the calendar is there. So now let us explore the application menu. In accessories, you have got the LX image viewer. So this must be the LX image viewer. Let us check if we can check. Yes, in the preferences, 99% this is the LX image viewer only. I think it is not showing the version. Anyways, I will close this. It is LX image only. Then the left pad is there. It is a simple text editor. In the internet section, you have got the Hawaii SSH server browser, VNC server browser, and web is there. In the office, you got the Atrium document viewer. In sound and video, you got the LX Music Simple Player, MPV Media Player, Pulse Audio Volume Control, Qt Video Test Utility, and the Video Capture Utility. So these are the Qt based video utilities. Let us open the LX Music. Let us see what it has to offer. So it is a simple music player. You can see. So this is the LX Music player version 0.4.7. It is made by the LXDE developers for the LXDE desktop. The MPV media player is also there. Yes, so this is a simple drag and drop. So you can drop any URLs. You can drop any URLs here, or you can drop any video media files here, and it will play those files. It will play the media from the URLs. So we will close this. Now, yes, so we have completed this. The simple this pulse audio volume control is also there. So you can do settings for playback, recording, and output devices. So nothing special here. In the system tools, you have got the Hawaii zero count browser, the file manager, PCman FM is there, hardware locality isotopo is there, LX terminal. Then you have got the CUPS printing. So this is the CUPS web-based printing interface. The task manager is there. So here you can see just using 336 MB out of the 3891 MB of RAM that is available. So very less memory usage, and further we are using the OpenRC init system. So the OpenRC init system is more simplified and more lighter than the typical system D init system. So that also is helping us to conserve the RAM usage. So the RAM usage is very minimum here. You can see it here, only very few processes are running. Just see here and compare this with the LXDE desktop with the system D, then you will know the difference. So there is a lot of difference between this two LXDE desktops, one using the OpenRC and the other using the system D. So if you want, I will show you. So here you can check out the CPU usage also, PID, state, PPID, virtual machine size or virtual memory size. You can see it here. That's it. So now I will close this. We will go further. Now in the preference, system preferences, you have got the connection man settings. So it is LXDE desktop is using connection man to manage your connections to the outside world. Then you have got this customized look and feel. Let us try to open it. So right now it is using the Artix dark theme. We can go with the clear looks dark theme. Let us apply the theme and see the changes for ourselves. So I think it will take some time before the changes are applied. I think still the application of change is going on. Not much difference is there, I think, between these two things. Let us go with the Raleigh theme. Yes, Raleigh theme, there is some slight difference in the panel at the bottom. You can see not much difference here also in Raleigh also, but you can of course install more things to customize the look and feel according to your taste. These are the different icon themes. We can go and change the icon themes. Let us try to apply the different icon themes. So, and you can also install further more icon themes. Let us try to check out. There will be small changes in small increments here, because most of these themes are all similar. Not much difference is there. You can see it here. Not much difference is there between the Mate Fenza dark and the Advaita. There is a lot of difference. Let us try the Advaita. What happens? Let us see in Advaita. So here you can see there is a lot of change in the icons. Yes, definitely this is very different. Now let us go with the new XT. This is also very different. Yes, this is completely different from any other icon theme. You can see it here. The icons are totally different. Then the mouse cursor. So you got premium, that is the default. Let us go with the premium left. Yes, so the now icon, this mouse cursor changes shape to the pointing towards the right from the left, and the default is pointing left from the right, and the Advaita is also there. So we can have a Advaita theme also. So this is the Advaita. Let us go back to The premium has a white mouse cursor, and Advaita has got black cursor. So you can choose your pick. And there are some window border themes. So let us try to change the themes. The Arctic Dark is the default theme. Let us go with the Artix Boxed. And then let us open some windows. Let us open the file manager. Now you can see the difference that is going to come. Let us go with the beer. Yes, you can see the difference here. We'll just close this. Clear looks. Let us apply clear looks. Yes, it is definitely changing. It's getting applied. You can see it here. For live. Yes, this is also getting applied. You can see Pikachu. So all these themes for the window borders are standard in all LXDE desktop. You can install. If they are not there, you can install. And in most of the Linux distribution, the LXDE desktop contains all these themes. Or you can install it from the web. You can download the theme files and install it. There is a button to install the new themes. Orang. System crash. Every Linux distribution has some typical themes. Some are standard or some are common, and some are typical themes for the Linux distribution itself. And you can also change the fonts here. So I will not go in much details. You already know the fonts, how to change the fonts and all those things. Okay. So now let us go over to the default applications for LX. So here these are the default applications. So they are not enabled by default. So there are no default application except for the terminal manager, the launcher manager. Rest all you can set, I think. Let us check. Yes, most of the defaults are disabled, but you can enable those defaults. You can reload and enable all the defaults. Core applications, auto start applications, settings, all the different settings are available, and you can specify the core applications. You can specify the auto start settings, and these are the environment settings. For the laptop mode, whether you want a laptop mode or you don't want a laptop mode, you want the GNOME dbus or not. Environment, you can type the environment Ubuntu or other, and the menu prefix and some other key maps and all those things are there. Okay, so LX update LX session database. So we have done some changes, that's why it is updating the LX session database. So let it work, because if we close this, then there may be some error will be introduced in the configs. So let it happen. Now we will go to the desktop preferences. So here you can see the desktop preferences. What I will do is I will just close this. We can minimize this. Yes, so it is working, so better to keep it minimized. Now let us try to change. So this is the Artix wallpaper. You can see it here. Artix Echo. So these are all standard Artix wallpaper available in this desktop also. So this was the beautiful gradient glow blue. There is space wallpaper. This looks very nice. Definitely like this wallpaper. Space is there. Looks very nice. Two-tone is there. This is also nice looking. This should be even more better. Yes, this is fantastic looking. So we can keep this, or I will just put the trash can here. I normally prefer to put the trash can here and all the other desktop icons on the left side. There are some desktop, yes, now the desktop icons. So we can select show documents folder. Show menus provided by the window managers when the desktop is clicked. So we can keep this. Now the keyboard and mouse settings. So the standard motion and the left-handed or right-handed settings are there for the mouse, and the mouse speed also is there, acceleration. And the keyboard similar for the character repeat, delay, intervals, beep, whether to beep or not when there is a error of keyboard input. All those things are there. Monitor settings we already see. We can change the resolution as well as the refresh rate, and we can configure multiple displays using this application. And this is the preferred system application. So the Gnome Web is there as a preferred web browser. Main client, there is no main client, so it is not set because there is no main client available. And set up hotkeys. So these are the hotkeys that are pre-configured. You can change them. I'll just show you. So you can scroll between the different desktops. So 4 desktops or 4 workspaces are available. You can do Super F1, Super F2. You can try that out. Super F1, Super F2. So this is the second desktop, Super F3, Super F4. And we are now back to the first desktop, that is Super F1. Okay, so everything is working. I think there are 2 desktop or 2 workspaces available. So 4 are not there because the Super F3 and F4 did not function. So that means the only 2 desktop or 2 workspaces are available, and we can of course increase that. So this is it. This is the LXDE desktop. It is quite simple. Let us try to check out the system monitor. Yes, system monitor also we have checked. So around 350 to 360 MB of RAM it was consuming. Okay, so with this I will stop the video here. We have completed the series of videos on Artix Linux. So we have checked out all the desktops that were available in the Artix Linux. So Artix Linux, to conclude, it is a great minimal system. You can start with the minimal desktop that are available, and then you can build your own system as per your choice. You can customize it as per your choice, and all the desktops of Artix use very less memory, and they are all using init systems other than system boot, and all those init systems are working very fine and they are giving a good performance. I did not find any lag in any of the desktops. Everything is perfect, and you should prefer to use the init systems that are other than the system boot, because system boot is quite bloated, and of course since the number of features and the code and the security package that are applied to the system boot makes it heavy, bulky, and it reduces the system responsiveness. So if you want to have a highly responsive system, or if you want to have a desktop install on your very old system, you should go to the Artix Linux. It has got some good alternatives to the system boot, and you will enjoy your system. And of course the other major advantage is that since it is based on Arch Linux, you get the latest packages are available. AUR is also available to you, so you can enjoy, you can install all the packages that you like. If you have certain application in mind, there will be definitely a package that will offer you the application features and the application role. So you can just install the AUR, you can install the AUR helpers like Paru or EA, and then you can search and install the application of your choice on Artix Linux. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you. We will start some new video series on some new Linux distribution. So right now we are focusing on Gecko Linux. So Gecko Linux will finish by this month end. After that, we will pick up another Linux distribution for the review, and we will, as usual, we will do a deep review. We don't go shallow reviews. We go in depth. We check out all the features, everything that is available. I will be shown to you in a systematic way. It might take 10 videos, 15 videos to complete the series, but we will do it. So space of our videos is slow, so we are now switch to the alternate day videos. Earlier in the last year 2022 we were doing 1 or 2 videos every day. So it was well received, and if you want to have videos every day, you will need to support us by making first 1000 subscriber. You need to subscribe and watch our videos. You can invite your friends and family to subscribe, because what happens is once we cross the 1000 subscribers, our channel will get monetized and we will have some resources to do more videos. Because you see, I am doing single-handedly, I am doing the video recording, editing, then I have to do the research, I have to check out all the Linux distribution myself on another laptop, so it takes a lot of time. I am engaged almost 4 to 6 hours every day. So if you want more videos, then help me to cross the 1000 subscribers. If we cross the 1000 subscribers early, we can have resources, because I will start earning from the YouTube channel, and then I can do more videos of your liking. So please help, please support as you done in 2022. So we are now are having more than 400 videos on our channel. Do watch all of them, do watch all the series, because what happens is if you watch the any video of any video playlist in between, you lose many things, because I do a gradual video, so all the videos in the playlist are connected. So in some video I do the update testing, in some video I check out the desktops, in some videos I check out some special features of the Linux distribution. So you will miss out many things. So better is you watch whenever you get time, you watch the whole video. So if you watch the whole video, you get lot of knowledge. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video or the next playlist. So we will start with some new Linux distribution, maybe in 10-15 days or a period. Meanwhile, you can watch the Gecko Linux series. So Gecko Linux series is right now the current series that is under review. So bye bye.